So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be looking at how to mark up our charts. Okay, so we are going to be looking at chart markup. Okay, so there is a way that the big boys and the smart money guys mark up their charts for them to be able to take like a sniper entry in the market. Okay, so if you are able to know how to mark up your chart and how to draw your key levels and where to expect markets to get back to, then definitely you should be able to take like a sniper entry in the market. Okay, so as you can see that our balance is somewhere around $5. Okay, so we are going to be marking up our chart together and then seeing the exact level where we want to allow price to get to before we take either a buy or a sell. Okay, but before I show us how to mark up our chart, I'm just going to enter a sell order now, a sell limit order, because the market will soon get to our level. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a sell order for crash 1000 here. Okay, and then I'll be entering for a sell limit because we are going to be taking a sell very soon. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce my lot size to 0.25 so that we'll be able to take this entry. Okay, so I'm going to place my sell limit. Okay, so you can see that I've been able to place a sell limit here. Okay, and the reason is because price definitely is going to come to this particular level. Okay, to this particular order block level here. So I'm going to show you how to mark up your chart and wait for price to come back. Okay, now the idea behind this is, if you notice, after this particular order block was printed, you will notice that price sold hard. Okay, so price is coming back to this same level to take more orders before it starts selling down. Okay, but before you want to take this kind of entry, you want to do your analysis. Okay, so that you don't end up losing your account in the market. Remember, we are trading with a $5. Okay, so we want to get a very accurate and like a very sniper entry. So I'll be showing us what to do. Okay, so that we don't end up blowing our accounts. Okay, so it's not just enough for price to come to this level. Okay, I'm going to tell us what to do and what to look out for when price wants to start, making its move. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to look out for our liquidity sweep. Okay, now remember, in our previous video we said that liquidity sweep always happen when the buyers here takes out sellers. Okay, remember, the people that sold here place their stop loss above here. Okay, the guys that sold from this top here to this bottom, okay, they placed a lot of stop loss in the market. Okay, they placed a lot of stop loss in the market. So just imagine the people that sold all the way from here. Okay, they placed a tight stop loss, so the buyers had to come out and take them out. So that's just the idea behind liquidity sweep in the market. Okay, so after our liquidity sweep, the next thing we want to look out for in the market is to look for our break of structure. Okay, so this was like our first break of structure. Now the more the break of structure, the better for us. Okay, after this first break of structure, we can see that there was another break of structure. Okay, so this confirms to us that market has little resistance to the downside, and that is why market is taking out the buy orders. Okay, so that they can get more positions before they start selling. Okay, and then the third thing we want to note is that market is in a downtrend. Okay, if you look at that here, you notice that this was our last high here. Okay, meaning that this high has not been violated. Okay, and if you come here, you will notice that this was another high. So this gives confirm to us that market is like in a downtrend here. Okay, so we can see that this is like a retracement here. Okay, this is like a retracement leg here. Okay, so this is like a retracement leg. after market has shown to us that we are in a downtrend. So remember, in our previous video we said that on a particular time frame, maybe the daily or the 4 hour time frame, we want to see like a weak break of structure. So you can see that this particular candlestick here took out the low of yesterday's candle or day before yesterday's candle and this particular candle. So this is like a break of structure, a break of structure here. Okay, and now price is coming back. Remember, our high here has not been violated, and this is like a swing point in the market. So price, opened, bought a little and started selling. Now we are like in a retracement phase, so price is coming back to this particular level to take more orders before it starts selling down. So if price starts selling, we can still decide to open more positions, take our first take profit at this particular level here. So this will be like our first take profit level here. Okay, and then we are going to have our next take profit level at this particular level here. Okay, so this will be our first take profit level, this will be our second take profit level, depending on the number of positions we open in the market. Okay, now that we've been able to mark up our chart, what we want to do is to know what to look at for exactly. Okay, when price gets inside of this our order block here. Okay, when price gets inside of this order block, what are we to look out for? Okay, so there are basically two things we can look out for. Okay, so the first thing we can look out for is our chart pattern. Okay, remember, our chart pattern tells us maybe like a head and shoulder. Okay, this head and shoulder is like a reversal pattern. So if price gets here, price is going to reverse with this head and shoulder pattern. Okay, or we can look out for a double top, okay, for price to reverse. Okay, and once we see this double top and a break of structure, we can decide to take our sell and put our stop loss above here. Okay, so that's the first thing we can decide to do. And then the next thing we can decide to do is to make use of our candlestick pattern in the market. Okay, so whenever we see like a sell candle here or a buy candle, whichever the candle might be, and then we see the next candle covers it completely, so this is like an engulfing candlestick pattern. So we can wait for price on the like the 1 hour time frame, and if we see a candlestick pattern like we see here, okay, you can see that this particular candlestick, this red candlestick, covers completely this candlestick. So this is like an engulfing candlestick pattern. So when we see that, it can give us an indication that price wants to start selling, so we can take a sell in the market and wait for market to give us that idea, and take our entry and then place our stop loss just above this particular high here. Okay, so above all, guys, we want to make sure we manage our risk in the market. Okay, we don't want to be greedy, we want to enter with the least lot size possible and want to manage our accounts. Okay, so guys, if you are able to follow this, then definitely you should be able to take this set trade limits that we've been able to place in this trade. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this trade before this trade plays out, you can leave a comment in the comment description of this video. Okay, you can also leave a comment in this video and you can tell me what video you also want me to do and what market you also want me to analyze, so that you can get to set your sell limits or your buy limits, whichever the case may be. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Do well to share this video so that other struggling traders can get access to this video, and also do well to like this video, okay, so that it will help the algorithm to reach out to more traders and they can get access to this trading video. So thanks guys for watching this analysis. Definitely will come up with more powerful analysis in our next video. So cheers guys, and I'll see you in my next trading video.